In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney to create AI art. We'll start by crafting a strong prompt, then move into Midjourney to paste it, adjust a few key settings, and finally submit it to generate your image. I'll keep things clear and simple and share a few tips so you get great results on your first try. Begin by opening ChatGPT and writing a detailed prompt for the image you want. Think of your prompt as the creative brief. Describe the subject, the style or medium, and the mood you're after. Mention helpful visual cues like lighting, color palette, composition, and details such as wide shot, close-up, or high contrast. If you're aiming for a photographic look, include camera-related hints like 35mm, shallow depth of field, or soft studio lighting. Keep it specific yet concise, and avoid including sensitive details or anything protected that you don't have permission to use. Once your prompt feels solid, copy it so it's ready to paste. Now head over to Midjourney on the web, make sure you're on the official site, and navigate to the page where you can create an image. You should see the area where you can input your prompt. Paste your prompt into the prompt field. Give it a quick read to confirm everything looks right. Clear descriptions, consistent tone, and no extra filler. Small refinements here can make a big difference in the final image. Before you submit, open Settings. This is where you control the default behavior for your render. Tweaking these options first helps ensure Midjourney interprets your prompt in the direction you want. Next, click on Image Size. Choose an aspect ratio that matches your goal. Square is a great all-rounder and works well for profiles and grids. Landscape ratios are ideal for presentations and videos, while portrait ratios suit posters and mobile-first visuals. Larger dimensions can look sharper but may take longer to generate, so match the size to your use case, then click on Aesthetics. Here you can guide the visual personality of your image. If there are style, intensity, or preset options, start in the middle for a balanced outcome. Going too strong can overpower your prompt. Too low can look plain. Adjust thoughtfully so the style supports your idea rather than competing with it. Finally, click on Model, choose the model that best fits your goal, and submit. Watch the progress bar as Midjourney renders. If the result isn't quite right, you can refine your prompt or tweak these settings and submit again until it matches your vision. And that's it. Prompt in ChatGPT, paste in Midjourney, adjust settings, choose your model, and submit. Happy creating.